Hello, I'm James Foxall, President and CEO of Tigerpaw Software. I'm here with another video in our series to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. Today's topic is near and dear to my heart. It's the matrix. I remember when we designed it. I remember when we had an internal naming contest to name it. But it was lofty design goals to build these matrices because you can use them to look at data in just about anything in Tigerpaw. And we achieved those goals. And to this date, nobody has done what we've done with the ability to slice and dice your data. These are more than just dynamic reports. These have incredible summation and grouping functionality, advanced filtering. You can share them with other users. You can export them to use in Excel to do other weird things with your data. I mean, they're an incredibly powerful tool. I hope you're already using them, but my suspicion is you're not using them to their full capability. So Tony is going to show you some nuts and bolts on how to get the most out of them. And again, it's all just part of our commitment to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. So thank you for being a Tigerpaw partner, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Tigerpaw's Matrix offers many filtering and analytical functions to help you organize and analyze your company's data to fit your business needs. These functions were designed to be flexible and easy to use. In this video, we will discuss the more advanced functions of a matrix. Specifically, we will talk about customizing a matrix view to bring the most important information to the forefront, performing analytical calculations in a matrix, organizing data by specific fields, and exporting matrices to Excel. Let's go over to Tigerpaw now to get started. Tigerpaw puts you in control of the column layout displayed within a matrix. There are actually two ways to organize the matrix columns. One way is to do it from the template editor window, and the other way is to do it from within the matrix view. I'm going to show you both ways. If you have a lot of columns within your matrix, it may be easier for you to reorganize them from the template editor window. Simply click on the Edit button on the ribbon across the top of the view, here. From there, simply drag and drop the items listed in the right pane of this window into the order you would prefer. The top of the list corresponds to the leftmost column within the matrix. Once you're done reorganizing, simply click Save. Your matrix will display in that order. The other way to reorganize your matrix column layout is by simply clicking on a column header, holding the mouse button down, and dragging the column to its new location, like this. Once you move everything into place, click the Save button on the ribbon to save the template with the new column order. Utilizing this feature, you'll be able to place the information that is most important to you to the left of the view, making it easy to see without scrolling to the right. Now that we have this view ordered the way we want, let's take a look at some of the matrix view's analytical functions. Tigerpaw's matrix view can compute many different types of calculations for you. Want to display the average age of your service orders for a specific time period? Easy. Let me show you. You will start by opening up the template editor. Simply click Edit on the ribbon here. Locate the column you want to analyze from the list on the right. I will look for the SO age, SO received to close field, as this is the number of days from creating to closing a service order. I will click here within the Summary Type column to review my options. If I wanted to just get a count of items within a list, I would choose Count. If I wanted to see the highest or lowest number within the column, I would choose Maximum or Minimum. Additionally, if I wanted to have Tigerpaw sum the column, I would select Sum. It's important to note that some data types do not support all of these functions. So don't be alarmed if an option is missing from the dropdown. It just means that data cannot be calculated that way. I will choose Average here and click Save. My matrix will now display with a new row across the bottom labeled Grand Summaries. Within the SO age received to close column, you will see the average age calculation. These types of calculations can also be computed within child tables. For example, let's say I wanted to sum the total sell for prices for items on a service order. I've created a service order matrix with parts information displaying within a child table already. I can see the child table by clicking on the plus node here. Now, let's tell Tigerpaw to calculate the sum of the parts sell for column. We do this from the template editor. I will click on Edit from the toolbar to open the template editor. Within the template editor, I will navigate to the Child Report Data tab. I will locate the column I wish to sum in the right pane. In this case, the parts sell for column, and click on the summary type beside that field, here. From the drop-down, I will choose Sum and click Save to refresh my matrix. Now, when I open the child table, I see the total value of all items on this service order, here. Not only can you run calculations within the matrix, but you can organize data by specific fields of your choosing. Let me show you. Any matrix can be grouped by any column. All I have to do is drag the column header to the Drag a Column Header here to group space below the ribbon. Let's say I want to organize my service orders by accounts. I would locate the Account Name column and drag it to the top, here. Tigerpaw will then organize and total the service orders by account name. To see a list of the service orders within a group, simply click on the plus node here. Notice the child tables are still present, complete with the sum calculations we just set. Any column can be used as a basis for grouping in this way. Furthermore, I have the ability to add subgroups. Let's say that within the account name group, I want to group my service orders by SO type. I will drag the SO type column to the top, here. The matrix will refresh, and now when I expand an account name, I will see subgroups organized by SO type. Expanding a subgroup displays the service orders, complete with their child tables and calculations. I encourage you to play with this new functionality, as it's incredibly powerful and can save you time when analyzing information and making decisions within your organization. Using these features eliminates the need to export to Excel for basic grouping and calculations. However, if you want to export any matrix to Excel, it's as easy as clicking on the Export button on the ribbon. It is important to note that you must have export privileges for the matrix you are working within. These privileges are set within Tigerpaw's security permissions. Within the export window, I have some choices. I can print the matrix out as a PDF, or I can export to an Excel spreadsheet. I then have the option to include the child information in the export, to print only a top number of rows, or to email the output as an attachment to an email. This is your data, and Tigerpaw doesn't stand in your way of doing what you want with it. In this video, I explained the advanced analytical and organizational functions of the Tigerpaw Matrix View, designed to give you the power to run your business efficiently, easily, and quickly.